Hi everyone, this is Realtor Aya, the brokerage real estate enthusiast, with you in a new video to talk about real estate. In this video, I will talk to home buyers and my message for everyone, anyone would like to purchase property using mortgage and say the interest rate is very high. I'm gonna wait the next few months or next few year. The interest is gonna drop or the house's price is gonna drop down. I want to show you something and share with you a story. So if you go back and watch this video, I did video on, I believe, August 2022, when the rate just start to increase. And I was advising in this video, all home buyers, if you qualify, if you have your pre-approval, don't wait because the rate gonna increase. And again, there is no one know the future. This was very clear sign by lenders and so many experts. They are in the market and they know where the rate's going on. But sadly, no one believed me. Everyone was waiting and saying, no, don't purchase now. Wait, the rate's gonna be back 3%, 2.5%, 4%. And sadly did not happen. And what happened is what I said. Now my message for all home buyers, again, the rates, I know it's high. It's reached, I believe, around 8% in conventional 30-year mortgage loan. Sometimes if it's 15-year, there's lower rates. There's difference definitely based on your credit score, income, and all this stuff. However, the rate is higher than when I said in a video. And again, according to loan officer, lender, everything going on in the market, there is no any signal, nothing showing or saying that the rate's gonna be dropping. Most of the expectation from expert saying the rate may go higher. How you know that next year or next few months the rate instead of 8 be 9? How you don't know that? So don't sit and keep wasting opportunity and wait for the rate to be dropped and hoping to jump when the rate be dropping. You lost so many opportunity. Don't keep losing more. Again, this message for people who can afford it, who's already have long-term lease, paying good amount of monthly payments. They have credit score. They've been working at least the last 2 years. You can afford taking mortgage, buy something affordable. Don't jump to the dream home immediately. Buy something affordable. You can buy and pay the monthly payment as you're paying in rent right now. Build equity. House value gonna increase and keep increasing. Then after 5 years, you can sell and buy your dream home. Let me calculate something for you. If you've been under lease and paying $1,500 a month, for a year, that's $1,800. You've been paying $1,800 for someone else's mortgage or landlord, someone else. If you've been under lease, let's say for 5 years, that's $90,000. You paid $90,000 for someone else. Imagine if you have mortgage and your mortgage is $1,500. Part of this, okay, it's principal under your account. Part of it is interest. While now, you are under lease, rent, 100% of your payment, it's interest. All is gone. So you have to compare like that. Always focus on the monthly payment. If you can afford it, if you can't do it, don't wait for the rate to be dropped. Don't get tricked by the hidden news. You have to listen to the professional. You can negotiate. You can ask for seller concession to help you with the closing cost. You can ask for a seller pay down, help you by some point every 5,000. I believe it's reduced 1% from your interest rate, and that's huge, gonna affect on your monthly payments. So there's so many ways you can negotiate. As your buyer agent, I can negotiate on your behalf and try my best to get you the best deal or give you what you need, whether a seller concession to help in closing costs or reducing your interest rate. So this is the point I want to focus about. Second, the other point I want to focus about, that when you waiting all this time and everyone say, I'm going to wait when the rate's going to be dropping 6 or 5 or whatever percent, maybe in next 2 years, every single buyer waiting. That means you're gonna compete in very tough markets. First, houses price gonna jump because you have to understand if the rate's low, the price is gonna be market value. If the rate's gonna be very low, then the house price gonna be jump very high. So you're gonna compete in market, houses price gonna be very high. Buyers been waiting for so many years. They be angry, they be thirsty, they just want to purchase. They're gonna pay appraisal gap, appraisal guarantee, over asking, no inspection, so many over asking. You have to bring in cash just to get the house you want. So you're gonna enter the fight. That means you're gonna compete in a market and you must buy a house over the value of the market because you paid over asking, appraisal gap, appraisal guarantee, all this stuff. While now, when you purchase house with the high rate, you're gonna have it with the market value. So you pay only what it's worth. You're not gonna pay more just to get it. Then when the interest dropping, you can refinance and just keep the house with all the equity, everything you have, and have the new rate. I hope this information helpful for you, and I hope that's gonna help some people thinking. Also, I want to say I know some people must rent because they work on their credit score. They don't have 2 years work history. It's fine. So renting short term it's fine. Long term is wrong. Think about that and decide what you want. Call me if you need help.